Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the view on your Outlook inbox. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to the official website, log into your account, and once you're inside, here, I want you to focus your attention right over here. Click on View, then go to View Settings, all right? Over here, make sure you are in the Mail category, all right? Then you are on the Layout page, which is the very first option. Now over here on the Layout settings, this is where things gets interesting. Here, you can choose what's most important for you to see, like showing the sender's name list or highlighting unread messages. For example, we have the message side over here. How many rows should each message use? This is actually very important if you would like to keep everything organized in your eyes, in your view. All right. And then, so small changes like these can make a huge difference when you're scanning through dozens of email. So just explore, just actually a whole lot of sections. You can actually customize the look of your inbox. And once you've successfully made all of your choices, make sure to hit save so that whenever you open up your Outlook, everything will look exactly the way you wanted it to be. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.